Oo. Hello guys! Andito na! Ay, look at this bed of Remy matching my outfit. Remy is living. Look, oh, look at it. Very big. Her very big malita. Bye, Mama. No more cooking for me. No more sleeping over here. Ay. Hold on, I show you my bedroom, guys. This is my bedroom. Ay, oo nga pala. There's my bedroom. I see you next year, my bedroom. This is my bedroom here in tiny house. And then we're going here. I show you my cat. Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Your mama is going. So, I see you again next year. But I come here. Okay? Alright. Take picture. Dress without book. Okay guys, bye. Bye. This is my friend. Bye, Dai. See you soon. Oh no, I'm already here. Alright, bye-bye. I'm wearing sunglasses. I'll see you sometimes. I wear sunglasses because part of my outfit. Matching my outfit. Okay, bye. Mama chup chup. Bye you. One more. Show you my dress. I love my dress. Okay, that's all.